Hello children, welcome to Value Education. Today we will learn lesson 7, Be a Gentleman. In this lesson we are going to learn the key values like loyalty, honor, respect and politeness. Once upon a time a poor man who was traveling in a desert drank water from an oasis. Children, desert means it is an area which is fully covered with sand. Oasis is a place where we are going to find plants, trees, and water in desert. So the water which he drank from the oasis tasted very sweet to him. So as he loved his king, he decided to take that sweet water to his king. So he took it in a goat skin full of water, and he arrived to the court of his king. The king received him, and the man presented that water to the king. But by that time, the water had become tasteless. But however, the king showed pleasure by drinking it. The queen who was seated near the king also wanted to drink that water. But king said, it was a gift to the king, and only king shall drink it. After that, the man had left the court. The king told the queen, the water the man had brought in a goatskin was putrid, that is, unpleasant. It is not so good. If you had drank it, you would have showed the distaste on your face, and that hurt the poor man. Therefore, please excuse me for not sharing it with you. The king drank the water because he knew that the poor man loved him. His love and devotion for the king made him to carry the water all the way to the king's court. The poor man had hoped that the king would be pleased. The pleasure on the face of the king was the reward for the poor man. The king rewarded him by showing love and politeness. Politeness suggests that we do not hurt anyone in public. Politeness means we behave the way we expect others to behave. That is, it is our behavior which we expect it from others. Politeness is gentle and loving, and it shows respect to others. Let us see few examples of politeness. If someone asks you the way, show him the way. That is politeness. If you do not know something, admit it humbly that you don't know it. That is politeness. When an elder is standing in a bus, offer him or her your seat. This is politeness. There is a phrase in Urdu language, Pehle aap. The meaning of this is you may go first. That is, we are giving the first preference to the others. Let's recall some impolite behavior of people in public. Suppose there is a queue in front of a counter. If someone suddenly appears and breaks the queue and goes directly to the counter, this is called impolite behavior. And this is disregard for the people who are standing in the queue before him. Suppose there is a luncheon and the meal is served. Some rush to grab the food first. What would you describe such an action? Yes, certainly it is also impolite behavior. So, we have to follow table manners while eating. We should not rush. We should wait for our turn, and we should give the preference to the elders. A polite person always respects others. In Hindi, there are three words for the word you. They are tu, tum, and aap. The most polite word for addressing someone is aap. People always respect a polite person. So give respect. You will get respect in turn. Please, thank you, sorry, excuse me are the frequently used words by a polite person. Always be polite in your words, thoughts, and actions also. This is gentlemanly behavior that will appreciated by all. Children, I hope you understood the lesson. Please use polite words when you are talking with others and cultivate the polite behavior and be a gentleman. Read the lesson once again from the textbook. Thank you.